When should I use AAA winch service? Have you ever found yourself stuck in a tough spot with your vehicle? It can be a frustrating experience, but knowing when to call for help can make all the difference. The AAA winch service is a handy option when your vehicle cannot be driven out on its own. This service is specifically designed for situations where your car is stuck in mud, snow, ice, or even a ditch, as long as it is close to a passable road. When you find your vehicle immobilized, the first thing to consider is whether it can be safely reached by a AAA technician. The technician will use a winch to pull your vehicle back onto the road. This is a great alternative to towing, especially if your car is not in immediate danger and can be recovered quickly. Now let's talk about eligibility. For the AAA winch service to apply, your vehicle must be adjacent to a road that is accessible. If your vehicle is in a location that requires special equipment or additional personnel, you might incur extra costs. So, it is essential to assess your situation before making the call. AAA offers different membership levels that affect the service you receive. Classic members get basic winching service with one truck and driver. If you are a Plus or Premier member, you can enjoy enhanced coverage, which includes up to 2 trucks and drivers for 1 hour at the scene. This can be particularly helpful if your vehicle is in a tricky spot. It is important to note that the winching service is not a substitute for regular vehicle maintenance. If your vehicle has ongoing issues, repeatedly using the winch service may not be the best solution. After the winching, if your vehicle is still not operational, AAA can tow it to a repair facility, which may be a AAA-approved shop. Using the AAA winch service can help you avoid further damage to your vehicle. Attempting to extract your vehicle on your own can lead to costly repairs. By calling for professional help, you can manage emergency situations more effectively, which may also minimize insurance claims related to vehicle damage. In summary, you should use AAA winch service when your vehicle is stuck near a road and cannot move on its own. Ensure that safe access exists for the technician. This service is a practical feature of roadside assistance that can save you time and money while keeping your vehicle safe.